There are three primary things which we would like to focus on: social justice, economic justice, and political justice. When I talk about economic justice, the biggest challenge here in the rural area throughout the country has been unemployment. And if I take about Odisha also, there's distress migration, how to take care of it. When we talk about social justice, the atrocities against women, the atrocity against tribals, the SC, ST, OBC, they have not been included in the mainstream. This is something we have to do. Political justice, especially I like to talk about political justice as well. If you go to the rural areas, I am a sitting MP and I'm connected to the grassroots. What is very unfortunate is that Nagarpalikas, the panchayats, the funding has been almost frozen. Now they have a different system where nominated members go and distribute the funds. We have Special Development Council in Odisha itself. And you see the lot of intervention like the CM Special Assistant Fund, Relief Fund. One people go to the villages and say that give me a grievance, I'll address it. I as an MP, my MP land is not being able to, I am not able to spend the MP land. But for churches, temples and everything, they have been giving crores and crores of rupees, which is unconstitutional, I would say that. The Sarpanch, it doesn't have any money now, it has been completely frozen. Panchayat Raj system was the intervention of Congress government. We want to empower the three-tier system. But that is not happening now. This is the political justice. And as an MP, what I have seen, this was really unfortunate. Around 146 MPs, including Priyanka Ji and me, were suspended from the parliament. And they passed bills without the opposition. These three primary things are something which the Congress is hell-bent on taking up the issue of the people. We don't have a level playing field, honestly, like the media, social media. We don't have a level playing field. We are fighting against ED, CBI, IT, mainstream media. This is not an issue. The issue is unemployment, price rise. The issue is the gaps in the income parity. 1% of the people control 99% of the wealth. How far this is fair? Unemployment is an issue. And throughout this distress migration, unemployment, all these things will reach out to the people. And I'm definitely, with the India Alliance coming together, with all of us coming together, we have decided that with all humility, we understand our limitations, our challenges, and we are ready to go to the people. And we are sure that 2024, the India Alliance, we are very confident of coming back to the power.